If you want to understand the true heartbeat of America, you don't look at the politicians in D.C. You look at the balance sheets of our banks. In the USA, money is not just a medium of exchange. It is the very fuel of our national dominance. Today, we are peeling back the layers of the most sophisticated financial machine ever built on this planet. We are talking about the American banking system, the bedrock of global business, the ultimate architect of credit, and the primary vehicle for your personal cash flow. Most people see a bank branch on the corner and think of it as a convenience. The masters of the USA economy, they treat banks as the ultimate utility for creating money. By the end of this deep dive, you will understand exactly how the USA controls the flow of money and why that knowledge is your greatest asset. To master American finance, you must grasp the concept of capital velocity. A dollar sitting in a desk drawer is dead money. But a dollar deposited into an American bank? That is the seed of an industrial revolution. When you deposit your money, you are effectively underwriting the American dream. Banks take that capital and deploy it instantly into the USA marketplace, funding the next great American business, the next massive construction project, and the next wave of technological innovation. They capture the spread, the gap between the money they pay you and the money they earn from the borrower. In that gap, banks build the most powerful financial empires in the USA. This isn't just accounting. This is the aggressive management of capital that keeps America light years ahead of the global competition. Now, let's talk about the secret engine of America: credit. In the USA business landscape, cash is king, but credit is the kingdom. Through the fractional reserve system, American banks don't just move money. They literally multiply the USA money supply. Every loan issued by an American bank creates new liquidity that fuels business expansion across the USA. This is why America leads the world in innovation. Our banks are designed to be engines of leverage. Listen closely. If you are not utilizing the credit markets provided by American banks, you are playing the game of finance with one hand tied behind your back. To win in the USA, you must understand how banks deploy money. There is a reason the US dollar is the world's reserve currency. It isn't an accident. It is the result of a rigorous regulatory framework that creates the ultimate asset: trust in the USA. The relationship between the Federal Reserve and commercial banks is the primary force controlling the cost of money in America. When they adjust rates, the entire USA economy feels the shift. For the strategic professional, this is the ultimate opportunity. You must learn to read the signals. You must understand how interest rate cycles, inflation, and liquidity play into the hands of those who know how to maneuver their capital. The financial system rewards those who are educated, prepared, and ready to deploy money when the market shifts. We live in the greatest era of financial opportunity in human history, right here in the USA. The question is, are you a participant or are you a spectator? Mastering money isn't just about saving. It's about understanding the mechanisms of American prosperity and using banks to scale your own business, your own investments, and your own cash flow. This channel, American Cash Flow, is dedicated to providing you with the insights that the mainstream won't tell you about USA money. We go deep on the business, the money-making strategies, and the finance secrets that keep America at the top of the food chain. Don't just watch the USA economy from the sidelines. Understand the machine, build your strategy, and own your future. Subscribe to American Cash Flow, and let's keep building the American dream.